How to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. If you've ever wanted to post anonymously in a Facebook group but you're not sure how, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to post without revealing your identity as a member of a group. So let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to know that not all Facebook groups allow anonymous posting. This feature is only available in groups where the admin has enabled it. So if you don't see this option, it might be because the group settings don't support anonymous post. Alright, let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook app and go to the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on groups. Here, choose the group where you want to post anonymously. Once you've done that, simply find the option that says write something and simply tap on it. Once you tap on that, at the top we can see an option that says post anonymously. Simply toggle that option on. As you can see, our profile had been hidden as anonymous participant. Now simply type in whatever you prefer. Once you've done that, simply tap on post and your comment will be published anonymously. And that's it, you've now learned how to post anonymously in a Facebook group.